Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed guide on the Thermomix TM21 warranty and maintenance. In this video, we will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your appliance is well cared for and remains under warranty. Firstly, let's gather the tools you will need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. It's essential to have these tools ready before we begin. Now let's start with the external inspection of your Thermomix TM21. Check for any visible damage or wear on the casing. If you notice any cracks or chips, it's crucial to address these issues promptly to avoid further damage. Next, we will move on to the internal cleaning process. To do this, unplug your Thermomix and remove the bowl. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the base of the appliance. This will allow you to access the internal components. Once you have the base removed, use a soft cloth to gently wipe down the internal surfaces. Pay special attention to the motor area, as dust and debris can accumulate here. If you find any stubborn stains, a damp cloth with a mild detergent can be used, but ensure everything is completely dry before reassembling. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Our service includes a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can understand the issues without any pressure to commit to repairs. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Carefully replace the base and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fitted to avoid any operational issues. Now let's discuss the warranty. It's important to keep your warranty documents safe and accessible. If you ever need to make a claim, having these documents on hand will streamline the process. Remember, any unauthorized repairs can void your warranty, so always consult a professional if you're unsure. If you encounter any issues that you cannot resolve, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before any work is done. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your appliance. Finally, let's recap the key points. Regular cleaning and maintenance are vital for the longevity of your Thermomix TM21. Always use the correct tools and follow the steps carefully. If you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. With our no calls, no travel service, we make it easy for you to get the help you need right at your doorstep. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you maintain your Thermomix TM21 effectively. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.